doing this way.
Alright.
I don't wanna lose sleep thinking about it.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another day in the vlog. Today has been quite the lazy day. It happens every now and then. But anyways, today is my little sister's birthday, the baby of the family. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, so she may be going to dinner later. I do not know. She's checking in. But for now, I'm going to drive over to Ellen Lily's basketball game. You know, the Tanks, nieces, and all. You see me in the videos here and there. But yeah, that should be pretty cool. I probably won't film anything just because. But hopefully that's her last game. Hopefully it goes well. And yeah, it'll be fun. So I'll catch up with you guys later. Alright guys, so a little dark. Turns out Anna's gonna do something later on for her birthday. But yeah, the game went pretty good. You know, for the last game, you know, it was rough in the beginning. Towards the end, they play a little bit harder, which was good to see. But yeah, I'm here at my dad's. Just gonna hang out with him for a little bit, see if he needs anything, and on see what happens.
I hear him when I open that door.
Yeah, they always fly off. And one flew, and then this one came flying in.
He's a sparrow. He's doing this way.
All right. Come on, little birdie. Let's go. Go, 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 go. So I keep going back and forth. Come on. Go out the door. Maybe I can open. Does this one? Oh, that one doesn't.
You can open, but we can close. Oh no, you have to
Take the screen off.
yeah, take the screen out. He looks like he's a sparrow, but
Yeah, this little one. Little guy.
there he is. Oh no, he is. Don't worry, we'll take care of him. You don't need to worry. Maybe you let him out that front door.
Where'd he go?
Went this way. I don't
Hope he's not going upstairs again.
I wonder if he did go up.
Hope he didn't go down.
I don't know.
'Cause I know last time the one went upstairs.
Poop on the floor and everything.
Oh, there he is.
You're trying to get him out of the window up there.
I'll see if I can get him out Miriam's window.
Which one do you?
I can do Miriam's window.
Yeah, her.
All right.
He knows he's done wrong. Where's he at now?
Right here. Don't go in the closet.
Come on.
Come on out.
Come on.
Go, go, go. Maybe if I turn another light on.
Oh, it's in the bed.
Ah.
Come on, buddy. You got to do it with the window open for it.
He flew back
There
there.
he is. I think he's, he looks to me like he's a junco. Dark-eyed junco.
Don't go.
I think we can, maybe we can grab him with a towel. No,
Come on.
he's a junco. We never hurt him, but we'll get at it. Hey,
Come on. Let's
come
go.
on, junco.
Come on.
You can. Here.
Oh, he missed the window. Here, I'll close the door maybe.
Yeah.
All right, come on. Thanks for the content, Birdie.
Oh, I should get that reef off the door.
Come on. All right. Fly, 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 fly.
You go.
Oh, he went on the window, and then he came back in. Come on. Yeah. There you go. Come on. Come on. Oh.
There he is.
Come on. go.
Wow.
Go, go.
Come on. Go ahead, Junko. You don't like to go outside.
Yeah, it must be too cold. Hopefully it doesn't hurt himself.
No.
Come on.
Maybe you have to trap them.
Maybe if I...
Trap them in a paper. Maybe what to do that.
Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Put this over top of them and put a strip of paper under and take them outside.
He's going down. He's under there.
Under the seat.
Right there. Right next to it. Nope, he's right in front of your feet. Right there.
Yeah.
Oh. He went. Where'd he go? Oh, he's behind a chair now. Oh.
Oh, look at that, Junko.
Ah.
You got a window out there.
Yeah.
I
He keeps.
don't think this opens. I think it's just...
Yeah, I think we sealed it.
I took the seals off of some, but I don't think this one's open. See, I can't trap them.
Well, oh, there we go.
He's sitting
Go.
on the top.
There we go. It's crazy. That is the second time a bird came in. If you saw the one vlog where I talked about it, I didn't have any footage because my camera was outside. And so was my phone. What? I had my phone and I had my camera this time. Well, I went out and got the camera because it's like, come on, content, right? Basically, there's this reef that's outside and birds hang on it around nighttime. So like you open the door to get wood and stuff and the birds like fly off. I opened the door slowly. I was like, come on. And I saw one fly. Then another was like, and I was like, whoa. So, yeah, content. I am back home. Gonna edit yesterday's vlogs. Just a little shout out video. But yeah, I didn't edit today since I was lazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed the bird flying around. If you did enjoy this vlog, leave a like, subscribe down below. If you want to join the Mooo crew, check out my social medias if you feel like it. And I'll see you guys around.
Everything we could be. Let's just see what comes to be. She said we're all made in Hollywood. Fake loving and hating on silver screens, believing everything.